1/4 inch back.
So we're over at the Copans residence on, this is October 11th, 2012. We're trimming out the addition piece, and we had a little bit of a dimensional problem. You see, the problem is that the original foundation was made fatter on the north and south sides, but not the west side. So that our carefully dimensioned window plan ended up that we had a wider gap between the windows on the west face than the windows, the two gaps on the east face, which were originally designed to be the same. So that the pilaster design around has to be modulated so that it will work. The solution that we came up with, we decided that this corner was primary and we should have the same pilasters and reveals on this corner all the way up, and that should match the pilaster in the should match the two pilasters here should be the same as the ones on this face and the one on the corner. But we have realized that the two pilasters at this face, the minor ones facing south, could be skinnier. That was the decision we made. You had to sort of move an error. So originally we had a 1 3/4 inch reveal planned between the window frame and the pilaster. That moves out to a 2 1/2 inch reveal. And then we have a 5 1/2 inch pilaster rather than a 4 1/2 inch. And the pilasters end up being about 3 inches apart. So that's kind of the modification that we agreed to on this corner all the way up, and that should match the pilaster in the center. So the bottom was originally built incorrectly without the base piece. So the panels in every case should align the side to the window opening. Each panel, the bottom piece of the panel is going to be a chamfered piece, but the three sides around the panel are going to be a small cove. So chamfer on the bottom, coves on the three sides, so we'll get a good wash. We also discussed the flashing underneath the panel piece. This bottom piece base is also going to be scribed in later. That's going to go in last because the bottom of it is going to be right here at this point, and that is the highest point of the base piece. But because we want a water to wash this way in the little courtyard piece, we're going to get about 1.5 inches of pitch between here and here. So we'll scribe that base piece later to the actual grade. We're going to get a hardscape paving that's going to go right against the building here.